This is Halabedu. Halabedu means ruined city.
Yes, now ma'am, you are welcome to Halabedu. This will be the temples of Shiva with the name is Hoysaleshwara and Shantaleshwara, and this was started in 12th century, 1121 AD, and completely the temple took 197 years to build, and many thousands of people who worked with the main masterman called Sthapatis, and all the Hoysala temples are stand with the star-shaped platform, so it is called Vesara architecture, and all the Hoysala temples are completely made out of soapstone, which were transported 150 kilometers away from the site. We have a first row with the elephants over here, 1,300, each one will be different, row of lion, and the horses in the middle, the flowers. It's a subject called stability, integrity, speedy, and beauty. And the Sagara Manthana, Samudra Manthana, churning the Milky Ocean, stories from the side the Devas and Asuras. And we have a small turtle which is here, Kurma, and all the statues, the heads will be lost out by the invaders. When the attack was here on 1326. And above that one, the animal name is Makara, a mythological animal. It's a vehicles for the rain gods called Varuna.
I see.
So the body of the animal is like a wild boar, steps of lion, mouth of crocodile, trunks of elephant, ears of a cow, eyes of a monkey, which has a tail is like a peacock. And that's the Makara coming all around the temple. And above that one is a peacock, some celestial dancers. In the last row, we have some erotical figures called Kama Sutras on a temple. Completely, this is a stone called steatite soapstone.
So this is actually built by Hoysalas.
Hoysalas.
And
the person called Ketumalla, who loves king and queen very much, and he will be the person taking the initiative steps and told the people to make two temples, which is one part for the king, one to the queen.
And so this was actually called originally not Halabedu but Dwara
Samudra.
Based on like a Dwarka.
Basically the Dwarkas, people who came over here, they settled the town in the name of Dwara Samudra. And Dwara Samudra, which will become the capital city for the kings Hoysala. Hoysalas, they got the victory from Chola. Chola, they were from the part Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. They ruled down the rivers of Gangas. So the place Tamil Nadu originally is Tanjavur. And Hoysalas, they have fought with Chola to get the independence. Soon after, when they got the victory from Chola, they were started the capital city in this Dwara Samudra. Now the name is Halabedu, the destroyed city. So the Shiva temple over here is an incompleted project, which was started in 12th century, 1121.
Yes.
So completely 197 years of time it took to complete it, but not finished. It does not have any shikara or any gopurams over here, which all the carvings were made with a piece of stones of soapstone, and everything will be assembled with an interlocking systems.
What is that river there beside?
No, that's not a river, it's a lake.
Oh, it's a lake?
Normal, the temples will be there like the bank of a river or a lake. Basic infrastructure. Those time, that will be when the pilgrims who are coming to this part of the visitors, they can just utilize this like normal utensils. Like they can cook food, they can take shower. So that will be the one the idea, selecting the sites to build the temple must be there is a river or a lake,
Right.
a common pattern.
Uh-huh.
They have observed it.
Yeah.
The larger area, now it is the whole property who is on Airavata, that will be the white elephants will be brought on the churning the ocean of Milky Ocean. So this elephants has been brought, which is a vehicles for God name is Indra and his wife named Shachi Devi on an elephant. It has a double tusk. Both the side the double tusk. Very next to Indra is Agni. Agni and Swaha Devi. They were traveling on boat. The directions will be southeast. And after Agni, the south direction, God name is Yama and wife name is Shamala. God after death we call, and he will be the first form of yoga. Yama, Niyama, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Asana, Dhyana, Dharana and Samadhi. The Yama is on buffalo, south direction God. And the south and the west, between southwest direction,
Yes.
Niruruti and his wife named Dirga Devi, he travels on human. And again the west direction is a rain god, name is Varuna, and the wife name is Varini, who they are on Makara. And the west and the northwest will be the Vayu, the god of air. He is named Vayu and Anjana Devi, they are on deer. And very next one will be the north direction, god after money, whose name is Kubera, and the wife name will be called as Rudde, they are on horse. And the northeast, the cultivation god, the Shiva and Parvati on Nandi. So totally the 8 direction gods.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
I think this is very important to record this,
yeah.
and you beautifully laid it out. Thank you very much, Ron.
Yes. We are in the front of the part Hoysaleshwara, and the Dwarapalakas are concerned here with the name Nandi and Bringi, the guardians for God Shiva, and they have very rich in their ornament and decorations with the necklace, shoulder ornaments, earrings, all completely made out of one stone, and the 2 of those hands will be broken by the invaders when they attack here. And upper parts of the Torana, that's a Makara Torana, Sima Lalata. Both the side we have an animal called Makara, that's a mythological animal which has a body like a wild boar, steps of lion, a mouth of crocodile, trunks of elephant, ears of a cow, eyes of monkey, and the feathers is a peacock, and the couples of the rain god who are on that animal, Makara. In the middle part we have a Shiva, is a dancing statue called Nataraja, and one side the statue is a Brahma. Towards the right of Shiva, left side is a Vishnu, and completely the pattern will be done one stone. And the center parts of the Shiva, we have a Kirti Mukha. Kirti Mukha, just focusing with my mirror
Yes.
over the center point where is concerned the Kirti Mukha.
Uh-huh.
So that will be the Kirti Shesha.
Ah, c'est lui la lumière.
Devotee of Shiva.
Yes.
Bon, on commence.
So he will be usually completely swallowing, eating his body.
Yes.
And fine day she asked Shiva, and Shiva has given a place in the center of the version. So it will be, we worship, the food will be offered when we say, it is first word prana, vyana,
Yana.
yana, apana,
Apana.
udana, and samana.
Ah.
So these are the 5 total, the sectors we give offerings. So apana is a part of the food which goes to him. So that's how the Kirti Shesha, he will be getting some part of the food offered to him. So every person after passed away, that Kirti will be left out with the families called Kirti Shesha.
Ah, thank you.
We'll just go to
All
the
right,
Nandi
we'll do
Mandap.
that.
Yeah. This is the statue called Surya, the sun god, who is rising from east, and the Maharajas of Hoysala, the Vishnuvardhana, usually coming from the south door of the temple where he worshipped Ganesha. Afterwards he will be coming here to give the Arghya over here. Then the third he will go inner portions of the temple, the Garbhagriha. Normally the people will be worshipping with after they taking the shower on the river or lake, they hold the water with the hands, they chant the mantras with Om. Please come to this part and stand there. Called Om Bhurguvasvaha Tat Savitrvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Oma Jyotirasomratam Brahma Bhurguvasvarom Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Uruvarukamiva bandhanan mrityor mukshiyamamratat Hari Om Tat Sat Om Sahana Bhavatoy Sahano Bhunaktoy Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinamadhitamastu Mahavidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Ajam Nirvikalpam Nirakaramekam Niranandamanandamadvaitapurnam Param Nirgunam Nirvishesham Nirigam Parabrahma Rupam Ganesham Bhajema Om Asato Mam Sadgamayam Tamaso Mam Jyotirgamayam Mrityorma Amratangamayam Om Shanti 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 Swasti Shri Mangalam Shri. Brahma and the Shiva is in the middle, then the Vishnu there, Shiva and Parvati in the corner, and down the Parvati speciality the mongoose. Mongoose will be there. And the Parvati is more happy, she rides on mongoose. This is Mahabharata, the stories. And over in the corner, over here, we find Shiva as a Bhairava there. This one.
Yes.
Who is wearing the high heel, the padukas.
Yes.
He holds the runda, the skull. The blood will be comes down, the dog will be sucking, the blood comes out of it. So it is called completely an angry form of Shiva, Bhairava. And
why is he in an angry form?
no, he will be killing the demons. So that's why he will be the destroy the evils. So he will be in the angry form.
Whose head does he have in his hand there?
No, that is actually the heads of the Kapala of Brahma in one sometime. But many times he holds the skulls of the demons.
I see.
And the blood will be sucked out from the dog, another demon will be born on it. So that's why Parvati will be normally getting angry on Shiva, because he is giving everything. Whatever the devotees are demanding or asking as an help or a boon, he will be sanctioning it. So the one on the top, the Arjuna shooting the fish, that is a Matsya Yantra Bedana. The marriage time of the Draupadi, where the Drupada Maharaja, who has organized this game, the fish, shooting the eye of the fish into the bow, the arrow, looking the reflections of the fish into the oil bowl on the bottom. Draupadi Swayamvara Katha in the Mahabharata. So the elephants in the bottom, lions, horses, stability, integrity, spirit and beauty. And again in this one, the part we have a middle point is over the three persons standing with 4 legs. 3 people with 4 legs.
So that's Krishna holding Govardhana.
Govardhana, the mountain, Mount Govardhana, to avoid more water, should not to fall on his palace area or the people who live surrounding the areas of the Dwaraka. So the mountain is Govardhana Parvata, and in the same pillar slab, one side we have Indra also with a Shachi Devi. You should go closer to the part there, then you can take.
That's Indra with Shachi Devi.
Shachi Devi on a elephant is called Airavata.
Airavata.
Yeah. Airavata is a white elephant which he has got from the churning the Milky Ocean. So normally the tree which is a Parijata Vriksha has been taken away from Krishna with Satyabhama So after taking the tree, Indra is ordering Varuna to put more water, and the Krishna, he is rescuing the people with the lift in the mountain, Govardhana, which is in the same